All right. So, all the stores are sold out of snow shovels. So, there's a lot of snow. So what I did, just take a little piece of sheet metal, a little bend on it, and a metal rod, made a notch, stuck it in, and welded it together. So if you're out there without a snow shovel, especially you guys in Texas, I know you guys know how to weld. It's not the best shovel, especially when you're holding a camera, but it does get the job done. It'll get the job done. A little bit longer, but it'll help you out. So you guys need to know how to make a snow shovel on the go. Take a piece of metal, a rod, and it'll help you out. I was able to shovel my driveway and get out because of this. So anybody's in a situation where you don't have a shovel, got an icy driveway, whatever, a little quick, simple solution that anybody really could have figured out, but here it is for you. So yeah, good luck to y'all if you need it. Pray for the people in Texas. Everybody have a good day.